Friends, this is the Baird. Today we're going to check out the Concord Classic in Concord, Michigan, west of Jackson, little small town. They've got a big festival going on this weekend. They've got inflatables, they've got tournaments, they've got concerts going on. And so we're going to go and check out the car show that's going on this afternoon. And we're going to go and see if we can have some conversations with some food truck vendors. All right, see you soon. Stay tuned. Remember, like the video, ding the bell for notifications, and subscribe. And please share to help the channel out. Appreciate it. That New York. Woo-hoo. We are in Concord, Michigan, for the Concord Classic, and we are checking out the cars at the car show today. Look at that. Ooh, that's a nice engine. Look at the photos there. So this was a 72 Hemi Charger, 70 Hemi Barracuda, a nice Stingray. That engine. Look at that. That is a Super Sport. That we got a nice looking car there. Chevelle. Jeep there. Chevy Nova. Chevelle Mustang. Nice looking pickup truck up here. Look at that. Look at the interior, that's sharp. There's music over there later. There's the vendors. They've got a ball game tournaments that they're doing. I guess they got a wiffle ball tournament going on at some point. Nice little Ford. I think there was also some baseball or something going on. Check that out. Nice looking. Lot less moving parts there than the car I got these days. Cougar. Murdoch's Hot Rod Garage. Look at that. Look at the interior there. That's all sweet. This engine. This truck. There's another Corvette. Nice looking Land Cruiser there. Car with a retro camper. neat. I like the color of that one. It's sharp. I bet that's hot though. Ooh, look at this Camaro. Look at that. Ooh, that is nice. There's the upholstery, steering wheel. Oh, it's sharp. Ooh, that's sharp looking. Look at that. There's the interior. Ooh, that's nice. There's the engine. All chromed out. All right, we got quite the food truck set up over here. We got Dirt Road Donuts. We got Timeout Trailer. Looks like they've got hot dogs and chili dogs, hot dog chips. We got a pretzel. Walking tacos. Travel, tasty, delicious. Can't tell what they're doing. I'll have to check that here in a second. Food for everyone. So here's Triple E's menu. Button. Okay, we're here with Triple E's. So what is one advantage of running your own small business?
To be able to not see when it's corporate, I don't think corporate really cares about quality and people's happiness. Just like you go to McDonald's, every time you pull off, your fries are cold, soggy.
Yes.
At least you know when I serve somebody here, they're happy. I know when they walk away, their food is hot and it's fresh.
Okay. So what's one disadvantage of running your own small business?
Disadvantage. I mean, it's so many advantages. Disadvantages, like I would only say that there's not enough profit in it.
Okay.
Because
so there's a thin line between success and failure?
Yes, because it just seems like one event is working for the next event. It don't feel like you're getting ahead because you're a small business. So,
And so when people check you out, what would be your signature item that you would recommend they try that you're known for?
Oh, my Philly sub. But if you want to really get full, I say the loaded pulled pork mac and cheese.
Okay.
And that is, it can serve two people, but one person can eat it and be happy.
Well, thanks for your time, man. You guys have a great weekend.
Yes, appreciate it.
We'll see you guys.
All right, thanks.
All right, so we've got pulled barbecue sandwiches, walking tacos, soft pretzels, cinnamon pretzels, soft pretzels, hot dogs, Italian ice, nice. Sunset Slush, classic Italian ice. Delicious food. So they've got chicken wraps, they've got two-piece fish tacos, hot dog, bacon hot dog, fries. Ooh, nice. So there's their contact information. Tasty11@yahoo.com. Nice. Sharp looking truck. All right, so we got waffles on a stick. We've got fresh squeezed lemonade. Waffles on this is Belgian waffles on a stick. Colonius Hong Kong style bubble waffles. Ooh, that sounds nice. So we got the Concord Spirit attire going on. Got Bees Pit Stop. So they've got pulled pork, ribs, potato salad, mac and cheese, turkey legs, nachos. Alright. So there's Bees Pit Stop. How you guys doing?
Good, how are you?
Where are you guys out of?
Right here in Concord.
Oh, okay. You got a minute to answer a couple questions?
Sure.
Okay, so what is one advantage of running your own small business?
Basically, you get to running your own business. You get to decide what your prices are.
Okay.
You can decide what you want in your own trailer.
Okay.
And you can pick and choose what events you want to go to.
Okay.
You don't have to go to all the events.
Okay. Now, and so what's one disadvantage?
The heat and with this, and all the time and prep that you got to do when you're a business owner.
Yeah, it's something we don't recognize, because we don't see it.
Exactly. They just think that we come set up and are ready to go, but you got the before and the after.
Right. Yeah. And so then what would be, if somebody comes out this way and checks you out, what would be a signature item that you would recommend?
Our pulled pork nachos, our turkey leg, smoked turkey legs.
Okay.
That's something that's new.
Okay.
And then we have baby back smoked ribs.
All right. Awesome. Thanks. I'm going to be... All right. So this is the Baird. We have been at the Concord Classic, checking out the car show and having a conversation with a few of the food truck vendors. Remember to ding the bell for notifications, like, subscribe, and we'll see you next time.